Hey everyone, how are you? I am so glad to be back with you again. Well, yep, here we go. Well, it's time for an Easter haul. Valentine's, my DIYs are up, my collaboration of our home tours are done. Now I'm headed on to spring and Easter DIYs and home tour collaborations. So I wanted to show you what I got at the 99-cent store last night. 99-cent store, oh my gosh, they had I was shocked, but they already had so many cute things out. So all of this that you see, other than just one thing, and I'll show you what that is, was $1.99. Everything was 99 cents. So here is a wooden plaque, and you can just stand it or hang it. And then here, two wooden bunnies. And I have an idea for these. I think I'm going to alter these. And then up here are two, I think these are supposed to be lawn signs, but I think I'm going to take them off the stick and use them in the house. And then over here are some eggs that they have that you can decorate. And I'm not going to paint them, but I'm going to do something else with them. And then down here is another little sign. But if you turn it over, you can decorate it any way you want. And I think I might go ahead, I'm not sure yet, but I might go ahead and do it more of a farmhouse theme. We'll see. This I wanted to tell you about. I got one of these last year. Let me get it over here. This is what was $1.99. You guys, this candy dish is so pretty. It's glass. It is really pretty, so I'll take it out of the box in a minute and show you. Out of the box. It is so pretty. It would make a beautiful little gift for someone. Okay, and then over here you can see I got a couple of these. They're glass, and I think I'm going to put these on my bar cart along with these bunny stirs. Aren't those cute? Here is a little glass. I think you could use this for candy. And then here's this bunny. I mean, I guess you could put candy around it or just keep it for a decoration, or you could put maybe jewelry on it. So those were really cute. And as you can see, I'm partial to lavender. Over here, this I fell in love with. These are ceramic. And I'm going to put plants in them and put them on my hutch for Easter. But these can last you, I mean, even into summer. This isn't just for Easter time. This can be spring, summer, whatever you want it to be. So I thought those were really pretty. And they're not small. I mean, they're pretty big. And then down here, look at this cute little bunny. And this was 99 cents. So cute. And then over here, these gingham bunnies, and these are big, they're at least 12 inches high. Not sure yet what I'm going to do with them. I can also turn those around, and I can put like lace material. They don't have to stay looking like this. But if you do put lace and you do alter them, then you have two different kinds. You can use it, you know, one year gingham, the next year more of a, maybe a shabby chic or whatever you want. So I always think outside the box. I always think what you can do to alter something if you think that you might want to use it for something different than what it was intended for. So that's those. Let me back up a little bit. Whoop. And then over here are some foam bunnies. And what I thought I would do with those as well is put material and just dress them up, and you could use those as a banner. And then over here is another sign, but isn't that pretty? Look how pretty that is. And then if you follow me, you know I like fun cups to drink out of. So I always get these kind of cups for every season. So this one was really cute. And that was 99 cents. And then I got some cupcake liners because I'm going to be making more faux cupcakes for Easter. Then over here's a little Easter egg tree, which is really cute. And then these two little bunnies, look how cute they are. And then up here, these two little plaques I thought were really pretty. And then of course Easter, you have to have Easter eggs, and these are big. And then there's some more eggs, and I have a few DIYs I want to do with these. But just all different kinds. Some will just go in my decor, and like I said, then some more I'll do a DIY with. And then over here, look how pretty this is. This little oven mat, drawing mats. It says Happy Easter. That goes with it. So yeah, that is my haul from the 99-cent store. Good old 99-cent store. I am getting ready to upload a DIY, and then I'm getting ready to start decorating for the Easter Home Tour collaboration, which will be coming up. That will be up March 20th. When I know how many people are joining me, I will let you know. So I just wanted to share this with you. Hey everyone, remember when I was making my cakes and I kept saying I wanted a Lazy Susan? Look what I found. Hobby Lobby, 40% off coupon. This was $6. And look, it turns. That is going to work perfect for my upcoming DIYs with my faux cakes. So I just wanted to share that with you as well. So that is my haul. That is my Easter spring haul for now. So until next time, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll be talking to you soon, guys. Bye.